people are protesting, I guess. So that's cancel, something about cancel. I guess they're protesting or something. Olympic either night. What does that mean? You don't need the Olympics. Oh, yeah, me too. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, I am in Tokyo. I am close to the Olympic Stadium, but everywhere is blocked off. We can't even go close so that we can see the stadium properly because there are security guards every freaking where. I think these are the athletes, guys. I think so. Not sure. Jamaica, where art thou? I guess they're gonna be in yellow. So look for yellow boat. Oh, this is not Jamaica. This is blue. I guess maybe they're in alphabetical order. This is a black. Oh, I don't know what country that could be. Oh, what's somebody wave? What's that? No, that's not Jamaica.
But I know it look like
that look like South Africa.
The bus are come flag going up no matter which country.
Okay. Can't set the Jamaicans anywhere, yo. Is it Jamaica? I see some. Wait, I see somebody that looks. Yes, wait, that's a Jamaica. He must sleep. He must sleep. There's a Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica. That's a Shelly-Ann. That's Shelly, yeah? Shelly, yeah.
We just said the Olympic champion a while ago. So we have to make her know so we're out here. And we're there, we will are done with the flag there. So
where flag there? Where flag there?
Then we'll come out in our Team Jamaica this in a 1, 2, 3.
You don't know.
You know the medal go 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah. I will have to hold it again. Y'all get this, I'll hold the flag. Okay.
Jamaica! Oh, that's not Jamaica.
Is that Trinidad?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, wait, we're heading out. I have to be using my back. What the hell is it? Okay, so we need to go back so we can see properly. Yeah, but I don't think we can see from here.
From here, sir, I don't.
Alright, so we're gonna head back. We're gonna head back. Ooh, this is cute. So we're leaving. We're going home.
What do you have to say to the people, Team Jamaica?
Well, Jamaica, I'm not gonna jinx it, but I know that Shelly-Ann Fraser.
How many medals are you expecting this year?
Well, I'm expecting about 3 goals. And maybe 3 silver. And 2 bronze.
Only 3 goals?
Minimum.
Okay.
Jamaica walks in, and for the first time in several Olympics, without the great Usain Bolt, which means we will have a new 100 meters and 200 meters champions. But they're carrying the flag, the incomparable Shelly-Ann Fraser Price, who some on this broadcast believe might be the greatest sprinter in Jamaica's history.